in the container. That didn't quite work as well as I planned, but that's okay. I do know what she means though. It's like really fine holes, so that means like when you tap it out, there's not that much comes out, and usually that's the problem. All right, so I've got a bit of product on this container, probably too much. I'm gonna go in with this sponge. Just get this mirror. So what I normally do is I'll try and get some right on the corner like that, because I'm gonna go underneath my eye. Oh, that's really matte. It's like super matte. Okay, so it really sits in under your skin, so it's a bit thick there. Oh, that's really nice and velvety, so I'm gonna have to tap out more, which I don't normally have to do, but I think I didn't quite get the amount I wanted, because normally I just go like that and I don't have to go back in and I tap all the way around. That's what I'm gonna do now, is I'm gonna just tap all the way around. Oh, it's a beautiful matte finish, like really matte, like super matte. And then normally what I'll do is I'll just get a powder sponge, take the rest of the product, tap it off, and I'll just go in on kind of my cheeks. Okay, now for the real test. Feeling out. Oh, snap. Do you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that. That's insane. It's a really matte finish, like super matte. So I feel like I don't even need to put on bronzer. Like I feel like this is like my everyday, like effortless, like no makeup look. Do you feel that? I feel that. Anyway, so look, my first impressions is like pretty good. Like I'm really surprised, because normally, like I said, when I have sponges soak up this much water, it just soaks up a lot of product, but like it's really non-porous. So I love this sponge. I mean, it's a little bit cheaper than the original Beauty Blender, and like it's, you know, like online and stuff, she normally has sales. So I feel like if I really like this and it lasts long and washes well, then I'll definitely be using this, you know, over the original. So like that's a pretty, you know, big game changer. The Velvet Finishing Powder, like it's so good. So far so good. It looks great on camera. I mean, close up, sorry, on my mirror, like it does look very matte, which kind of, I can see like all kind of like my dots and stuff showing, which does happen with a lot of super matte products for me, but on camera it looks like beautiful. I'm gonna see how it goes throughout the day, and I'll give you guys an update in the comments. So if you haven't already, I think, like if you're such a fan of her, I think you have to get this. Or if you have problems with like a lot of foundations and stuff, I think give it a go. It's pretty affordable for like a powder and a really good quality sponge, and I really trust how much time she's put into this product. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll definitely be using it from now on to try it with whole different combinations, and there'll be a review on my Instagram for sure. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya.